introduce the box.
Introduce the box.
Oh, box.
Box. Lunchbox. Hey.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you don't know me, today we are going to be doing our BoxyCharm unboxing. I actually already opened it. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I did open it and I have already actually tried some of the stuff. So it's not a first impressions or anything, but we're gonna go through the items and the prices. So if you want to see what I got, then just keep watching. So we're still gonna do a try-on style for today's video. You guys see I already opened it. And I actually gave the brushes that came in here to my mom since I already have too many brushes. And the brushes that I gave her are the BoxyCharm 2-piece brush set. That was a retail of $35. If I can find a picture of them, then I will insert it somewhere. If not, then you guys probably know what it looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna take everything out of the box and tell you guys what the prices are, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do a little try on of some of the things that are in here. I'm gonna go by the little card this time. So the first thing on our little card is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eyeshadow Palette, which is this one right here. So that's what the palette looks like. We are going to be playing with this one here in a little bit. It does retail for $35. This is from Dominique Cosmetics. She has a bigger palette of this. I think this is just exclusive to BoxyCharm. This is that. Then the next thing is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. And I actually chose this over the Cypress serum that everybody seemed to get. But I wanted to try something different, so I chose this, and this actually retails for $50, and I've only used it once, so I can't really tell you if it works or if it doesn't work. But this is what the packaging looks like. This is 15 milligrams or 0.5 ounces, and it comes with this little cool thing here. You guys can see that you just push the product out and then it comes out on this little thing here, and that's how you use it. And you're just supposed to put it underneath your eye. So yeah, I'm excited to try this out some more because I've only used it once. The next thing in the box is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, and I actually have a few things from Dose of Colors already, so I have tried this formula before and I am really excited about the shade. I haven't actually put it on my lips. I did take it out of the box and looked at it, but I have not actually put it on my lips yet. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys so you guys can see the shade. It's really pretty, like a red vampy, like a deep red. It's not like a bright red. So I'm really excited about using this lip color, and this one retails for $18. Super excited about that. The next thing we got is the Tula Skincare Star Power Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask, and it was a set of 2, but I did give my mom the other one, so this one I kept one and I gave her one. And this retails for $22. I'm wondering if each or separate, because if it's each for a sheet mask, that's kind of a lot. Let's find out, shall we? I've never used anything from Tula before, so I have no idea what their prices are like. I'm thinking, since I think it's each one is probably $22, but I could be wrong. Their website says $28. I've heard other people use it and I hear that they like it, so we will try it out maybe in another video. I don't know if you guys want to see something like that, but yeah. That's all the items. Actually, the brush set is one of the items too. It's the BoxyCharm 2-piece brush set, which I already told you guys I gave that one to my mom because I have a lot of brushes already, so I don't want to just keep having so many brushes, and you guys all know how much I love cleaning my brushes. I'm obviously not going to use the skincare in this video because I already have some of my face done. So we're going to be trying out the palette and the lip in this video. So let's go ahead and get started here with the eyes. I'm going to start with the shade Lunar Eclipse, which is this pretty terracotta shade right there. I like that this palette has a mirror. It's really sturdy and it is like cardboard, but it's still really pretty. I like how it looks. So let's go ahead and apply that above the crease. These colors are really pigmented, as you guys can see. I barely went on the shadow with my brush, and by the way, I'm using the Morphe E27 brush to place this on my eye. I'm gonna pick a little bit more up. And now with a different brush, this is the Morphe E17 brush, I'm gonna grab the shade Storm Dust right here and place that on my crease and also on the outer corner. I am working that in towards the middle of the lid, and I'm gonna bring it in on my crease here into that inner corner just a little bit, not all the way in, but like right there. I'm gonna go back in with the shade Lunar Eclipse just to further blend that out. And deepen out that corner with Storm Dust again, which is the shade right next to Lunar Eclipse. Just deepening out that outer corner a bit. Just right here on the outer corner. Still using the same shade. Then I'm gonna grab a packing brush. I'm gonna grab my Luxie 209 large shader brush, and I'm gonna get the color here called Fireball. This one right here. And I kind of just want to see how it performs without me putting any Fix Plus or anything on it. It looks okay. I'm gonna spray a little bit on it and see what it looks like. Just gonna grab my MAC Fix Plus. I already grabbed the shadow on my brush, and now I'm just gonna spray that. The intensity does change a little bit. Not too much, but you can definitely see it better now than you could before. And when I looked at that shadow, it has some pink sparkles in it, but when you first look at it, it looks more like a bronzy shade than a pinky shade. It is really pretty though, and you can definitely see those pink sparkles. So I think that shade would be like pretty unique in the palette. And now in the center of the lid, I really wanted to try this one here, Eternal Light. This one, and I'm gonna put that in the center of the lid. Just grabbing it with my finger and just placing it there on the center. It is really pretty. Now I did try that shade the other day just by itself on the lid, and I didn't like how it looked. I thought it was a little too sheer, so I think it's gonna work out better as a topper than a shade by itself. Unless you want something sheer like that, of course, then it'll work that way. I'm gonna go back into Lunar Eclipse and just gonna blend all those together like that. I'm gonna use my Morphe 213 brush, and I'm gonna grab the shade Lucid Dream, which is this pink one right here, and put that on my lower lash line. I am bringing it all the way into the inner corner to meet that other shade. And then I'm gonna use my Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush. I know it says crease brush, but I'm gonna go into the shade Lunar Eclipse just to smoke out that pink out a little bit. Okay, and now for my waterline, I'm just gonna use my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. And I'm just gonna coat my lashes here with some mascara. I'm gonna use my Tarte Big Ego mascara. That's what it looks like. Okay, so that is that eye done. I'm gonna go off camera, do the other eye, and I will be right back. So I'm back with the other eye done. I did put a little bit of this shade Celestial Light and a little bit up here as a highlight. You guys can see that. I'm gonna grab a little bit of it too and put it in my inner corners here with my finger, just to give it an extra little oomph to it. So I have to be honest with you guys, when I first tried this palette, I wasn't so impressed. I did try it last week or something, and I wasn't really impressed with it. I don't think that the shades, maybe the way that I used it or the color story that I used on my eye didn't work out, but I wasn't really impressed. Now, the second time around that I used it right now, I actually really like the look that I came up with, and I like the way that the colors work together and everything blended out really nicely. I don't know if I was having an off day last time that I used it or what, but I am really liking this. I like how everything blended out, just like I said, and definitely that shade Maternal Light is very versatile. You can use it, like I said, as a highlight, or like I did here, as a topper. Could put it through your whole lid. Just know that it's gonna be sheer. It's not really gonna be like an intense glittery shade, because I tried doing that last time, and that's probably why I didn't like it, but I did like it this time. Just wanted to throw that out there so you guys know. So that is my review on this part of the box. Let's go ahead and move on to the lips, and this is the Dose of Colors in the shade Charm. It's that deep red, like burgundy shade. I think it'll work with the look because I have like a little bit of that deep color there at the end of my eye. So we're gonna go ahead and put it on. I'm not going to line or anything my lips this time. I'm just gonna put it on. I have tried these formula before, so I know that I like it. I haven't tried this color before. I really like this color. It looks so pretty. Could also put a little bit of pink in the center. I think that would look pretty too if you wanted to try that out. Like a pink lipstick or something like that. That would look really pretty. Or like a pink topper. Let's try that. I have these ones that CJ bought me from MAC a while back, and I haven't used them as much, so I'm gonna try them. This is the, or the frill of it. It's a lip glass. Lip glass. I'm gonna put it in the center and we'll see how it looks. I know this has nothing to do with BoxyCharm, but I wanted to try it. It looks pretty. Alright, so let's go through this stuff here. Like I said, I didn't try everything inside the box, so I'm not sure how everything's gonna work out, but I am excited to try everything. I love my BoxyCharm usually, and this time is no different. I'm kind of bummed that I didn't get the premium this month, so I'm pretty excited to hopefully get it next month. I know we get our BoxyLuxe next month, so I'm really excited about that one too. So let's go through the products here real quick. So the first thing that I took out of the box was this palette, and I already told you guys my thoughts on this. Do really like it. I think it is cool that they made it smaller and exclusive to BoxyCharm. They do have a bigger palette of this that's from Dominique Cosmetics, obviously. Really did enjoy this palette. The next thing I took out of the box was this thing. The Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. I wish that the names for stuff wouldn't be so long, because then I just stumble on my words. But anyways, like I said, I've only used this one time. That one time, I don't think it's enough to tell you if I like it or not, or if it works or not, but I am excited to try it out. That's good. The next thing that I pulled out was the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte lipstick in the shade Charm. I do like the color a lot. I think it's gonna work out really nicely for winter and fall, so I'm really excited to keep using this, and I do like the formula, so I've used this one before, like I said. Next up is the Tula Skincare Star Bright mask. I am excited to use this. I do like sheet masks actually. I feel like they do hydrate my face a lot because my skin is really dry, so it does help out a lot with that. And then the brushes, of course, like I told you guys, I gave those to my mom, but they did feel really soft, and like the handle was like a matte handle. They were really pretty. I'm sure that they work fine. They were actually kind of different looking than what I'm used to, so maybe I should have kept them to try them out, but I have too many, so I just gave them to my mom. Overall, this whole box, I did really enjoy everything in it. The stuff that I have tried, at least. I would definitely recommend that you guys try out BoxyCharm if you haven't yet. It is a retail for $25, I think. I think it's $25 instead of $21. I don't know. Mine is the year subscription thing, so I don't remember how much it was. That is the BoxyCharm unboxing for this month. I hope that you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll see you in my next one. Toodles!